Get ready to be amazed because this Let Completely Honest Finding Perfect is officially taking over the internet. This viral stuff is literally everywhere right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it makes your daily routine effortless. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. Side piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before it's completely gone. Get ready to be amazed because this Let Completely Honest Finding Perfect is officially taking over the internet. This